There's a voice trying to talk to me inside my head, telling me that I'd be better off dead. River of misery constantly flows, nobody can stop it, and nobody knows. I'm stuck in the middle, I'm close to the edge, I'm balancing high upon a window ledge. If I take one step forward, there's no turning back. Fly through the daylight into the black. Last generation of a culture that's gone, pressed by society, need to move on. Last sole survivor, alone on a shore. Let the waves crash over me, and I'll be no more.